Narayana, the leader in competitive exams, rewrites history in JEE MAIN 2021 with 5 All India Open Category first ranks and 9 ranks in top 10.
Hello everyone, I'm Sharani Narayana, Director of Narayana Educational Institutions, India. I'm extremely proud and honored to be interviewing the toppers of JEE Mains 2021. As you all know, we, the Narayana Group, have got 9 ranks below 10 in open category and at the same time 90 ranks below 100 in all categories. And at the same time we have got 600 percentiles. And all the toppers are here. I'm extremely honored and proud. Let's talk with the toppers and get to know a lot of insights about how they have achieved this grand success. I welcome all the students, all the toppers of JEE Mains 2021. Hello everyone. Hello Adarsh, how are you?
Hi ma'am.
So how excited are you about the result?
I'm very happy and excited about this result.
Till what extent did the extra syllabus help you to gain an extraordinary result?
Extra syllabus is very important because that is where the main difference comes in terms of score. For preparing extra syllabus, we have to refer to NCERT, that's the best resource available. We have to read every line of NCERT. We shouldn't miss even one because they frame questions in between the lines. It's very important to cover all the extra syllabus topics. Main ones are chemistry in everyday life, biomolecules, polymers, and even in physics like geomagnetism and semiconductors and devices.
So you mean it was challenging to balance reading textbook and the extra syllabus?
Yes.
Hello Aditya, how are you?
I'm fine.
So many students feel that JEE Mains was lengthy, JEE Mains physics subject was hard, but how did you score that 100 percentile? What was the success behind your score?
So I would like to say 3 things. First of all, the fundamental thing is subject preparation. The second thing is time management. And the third, and which I feel is the most important thing, is having self-confidence. And balancing all these 3 in the given time of preparation, whether it is 3 years or 4 years, whatever it is, balancing these 3, I think that helped me getting 100% time.
So how does time management play a very important role in writing JEE Mains?
See, because as you have mentioned earlier, maths was lengthy. So I think that itself directly implies that we have to be good at time, because if any other subject was lengthy, it would be fine. We could at least cover it. But
yes,
once subject like maths is lengthy, we have to be very quick and very accurate at calculations and very accurate at reading questions so that we don't miss any lines, that kind of thing. So we have to practice time management also.
So speed tests at Narayana Institutions have really helped you score 100 percentile?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, that's great to know. So coming to you Rohit, you're a Narayana school student. Till what extent did Narayana help you get an extraordinary result?
Yeah, like school preparation according to me is very important for a person who is preparing for IIT. Like even though in 9th and 10th standard, if we are preparing for IIT, we may not understand all the topics which we study since they are related to first year and second year, but it gives us an insight to the topics. So when we'll come to the first year and second year and once again go through the topics, we will already have an idea like what to read and where we are weak, in which topics more time is required, we can study more effectively.
So it was more like a brushing of the concepts?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay, that's great. So my next question is to Puneet. So how was your stress level while preparing to JEE Mains 2021? I'm sure you have a lot of friends and at the same time a lot of competitors. So how did you balance that stress level, or did you approach your friends to teach them something, or did you learn anything from them?
I didn't feel any stress during preparation. I learned from my friends and I also told my friends some things. And stress depends on people's thinking, what they're thinking about the exam and how important the exam is for them. I feel feeling stressful is not required.
In Narayana, we write a lot of examinations. We make you prepare in that way. So was that helpful to an extent?
Yeah, certainly that was helpful.
Okay. That's nice to know. So my next question is to Sharanya. So how excited are you about the result?
I'm happy.
So what is the key success of getting 300 out of 300 without a human error? That's impossible actually.
I think it is mainly important to be focused and calm in the exam and you need to take extra care while doing the question. It is not important to attempt all the questions in hurry way, but accuracy is more important than that.
Okay, so many toppers make silly mistakes. We have seen it throughout the analysis of the years. So how did you manage to overcome that?
After every question, you need to recheck your procedure or solving, and once check the questions exactly what they are asking, and I think it will be.
So you had that time.
Yes.
So my next question is to Lokesh. Many students find that the maths question was lengthy or the physics was hard. So how did you manage time management?
It's better to solve the exam paper in 2 rounds, like first round in 2.5 hours and solve first easy ones, later difficult ones. And at last half an hour, it's better to recheck all the answers and procedure where we might do mistakes in.
Do you divide the subjects into 3 halves and answer the easy questions first and hard questions later? Is it like that, or how do you do it?
First I solve chemistry, which we can finish shortly in lesser time of all 3 subjects. Later maths, later physics, and at last 40 minutes I check all the answers.
So you have got sufficient time. Okay. Aditya, my next question is to you. From the past 18 months, everyone was stuck at home because of the COVID crisis that's happening. But how stressful was it while preparing? Did you have your parents' support, or did your friends help you, or did you go back in the rank you wanted, or how is it? How was the methodology?
Yeah, my parents definitely supported me during COVID. They also kept motivating me. They played a very big role in my result. One more thing I would like to tell is actually when COVID started, it actually became a boon for me, I think, in my preparation, because I got more time to think about myself. I got more time to analyze how I make mistakes, how I prepare, what is my schedule. So I think I got more time, my more personal time to think about myself rather than any other person making plans or something. So
Okay.
I think it helped me in that way.
So till what extent did the teachers help you?
Yeah, our teachers were always connected to us. We never lost touch with our teachers. We were always, we could message them through WhatsApp, or we could ask doubts in Zoom, or they were always free. They were always, they were always available for us.
So it was very convenient.
Yeah, it was very convenient.
So my next question is to Sharanya. Can you suggest some tips for the next generation students who are preparing for IIT, JEE, Mains or Advanced?
I think you have to plan your preparation in a right way with the right guidance, and you have to analyze your mistakes after every exam, and you need to correct them, and you should be calm and focused.
Adarsh, my next question is to you. The entire education industry has become online due to COVID. So what are few tips you would tell the students who are preparing for JEE Mains 2021? Few students would not have network. Few students would have phone issues. So what are those tips you would tell the students?
Basically, we have to stay focused and read textbooks properly. Also be in touch with faculty and keep asking doubts and interacting with them. It's very important to interact because they'll point out errors in us, and we can rectify them more easily, and they'll keep giving us guidance how to do that. And we also have to read textbooks very carefully for attempting any competitive exam.
Okay, that's a really good answer. I just hope more and more students get educated by listening to your answer and prepare well. So my next question is to Aditya. So many students are watching you. You have been a great inspiration. So what are a few tips you would tell the students who are watching for IIT Advanced?
Personally, I feel that JEE Main and JEE Advanced examinations are 2 different ball games. While attempting a question in JEE Main, you do not need to have so much clarity about the concept. It is enough if you have some superficial idea about the concept. But when you appear for advanced exam, it's not the same case. In advanced examination, the questions really need high level conceptual thinking, and also time management is very important in advanced examination. You can easily run out of time because the questions are such deceiving. So we need to be very much attentive while attempting the paper, and also we need to have good solid preparation while going into the examination. That's what I would like to say.
So do you think that shortcuts work in JEE Mains?
Yes, shortcuts do work in JEE Mains because you have to attempt 75 questions in 3 hours. So it will be handy if you have some formula or some shortcuts with you. It'll definitely help in the examination.
So I'm sure for everyone who's watching this interview, you have got a lot of insights, because everyone here, all the toppers of JEE Mains are so competitive, full of energy. And at the same time, we're extremely proud of the Narayana Group, because we have got 9 ranks below 10, below 100, we have got 90 ranks in all categories, and we have got 600 percentiles. That's such an extraordinary news. So I wish everyone who's preparing for IIT Advanced examination all the best, and I'm sure once again Narayana Educational Institutions will top.